generation of investors using their phones and communicating on Reddit are creating chaos on Wall Street and also exposing potential flaws in our financial system.
Wall Street bets.
Wall Street bets.
Wall Street bets.
Wall Street bets. Regular folks using apps that allow them to make trades directly are pumping cash into companies that Wall Street usually bets against, in short. And they are winning.
See, this is what's known as a short squeeze.
Because when the margin call comes in, now all of a sudden these hedge funds get forced to cover their short positions.
There's a lot of hedge funds that lost billions of dollars.
The reason the market is doing what it's doing is people are sitting at home getting the checks from the government, okay? And this fair share is a bullshit concept.
When does this become manipulation, Jim?
Or I'm going to be the ultimate fucking scumbag, and I'm just not even going to tell anybody that. You can't buy AMC. You can't buy GameStop.
It's just a way of attacking wealthy people.
But they're very smart about what to target.
It's known as the free market, but some investors are calling it market manipulation.
We were allowed to sell, but we're not allowed to buy. It doesn't seem fair. It doesn't seem right.
Thursday morning, trading apps including Robinhood, Webull, Stash, and others sent out tweets saying they restricted the ability to buy stock in GameStop, AMC, and more due to market volatility. The only option? Sell.
I'm not fucking leaving!
I want you to address the obvious. This looks like a move by an outfit called Robinhood, which is supposed to be taken from the rich and given to the poor, and doing exactly the opposite. That when the big guys, including one of your main investors in your company, started to lose, you shut down the game to starve the little guy. Fair criticism.
And the reason that there is such a big backlash is when people began to find out that Citadel is a 40% owner or investor in Melvin Capital.
Cryptocurrencies after Bitcoin, it rose. It is up about 20% today, and even Tesla's Elon Musk helping to move Bitcoin after a tweet. We've got our Dan Roberts on the case. Dan, it looks like Elon Musk has been moving a lot of stocks lately.
Yeah, Alexis, Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio to just say #Bitcoin.